Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, in this case we want to know what is the mass of sodium nitrate that we need to add to 400 grams of water to prepare a 0.0525 molal solution. So remember that the definition of molality is equal to mole of solute over kilogram of solvent. So the first thing that we need to do is convert these 400 grams of water into kilograms, which is 0.400 kilograms, and employ the information that we get from the molality. So, since molality is equal to amount of mole divided by mass in kilograms of the solvent, the amount of mole of the solute, in this case of sodium nitrate, is going to be equal to the molality times the mass of the solvent in kilograms. So, the amount of mole that we require of the solute is equal to 0.0525 mole per kilogram times 0.4 kilograms, giving us 0.021 moles of sodium nitrate. Now the mass of sodium nitrate that we're going to get is going to be equal to 0.021 mole of sodium nitrate multiplied by its molecular weight, which is 85 grams per mole. So 85 grams is equal to 1 mole of sodium nitrate. So the mass that we're going to require is equal to 1.785 grams. Now we want to know what is going to be the mole fraction. In order to know that, so this is the answer of the first part. In order to know the mole fraction, that what we need to know is the total amount of mole that we have. And this is going to be equal to the amounts of mole of water plus the amount of mole of sodium nitrate. The second one we have already found it, and the amount of mole of water is going to be equal to the mass of water divided by the molecular weight of water. Mass of water divided by molecular weight, which corresponds to 400 grams divided by 18 grams per mole, giving us 22.2222 periodic moles. So the total amount of mole is going to be equal to this number, 22.22 periodic, plus the amount of mole that we had of sodium nitrate, which was 0.021 mole. The total amount of mole is equal to 22.24322, and again periodic, and the mole fraction of sodium nitrate that we're going to have in solution is going to be equal to amount of mole of sodium nitrate divided by the total amount of mole. This becomes 0.021 divided by 22.2432, which is a mole fraction corresponding to 9.44 times 10 to the minus 4. So that would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.